Hey everybody! Still mopping up the flaming wreckage that is the vendor system. Had some obnoxiously apocalyptic issues last night with it, but I fixed them. So far so good. So far, so good. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is making sure that the equip symbol draws on items that you currently have equipped either to your main hand or your shield hand or your sub slot or your item slot. And drawing that in the vendor cell mode. Real quick, I'm going to double check that everything's working. Also fixed an issue where I didn't realize, but say I had only 5 coins on me. This bronze arming sword right now is worth 5. I wouldn't have been able to buy it because I was checking to see if you either had less of the required amount or more of the required amount, not equal to the required amount, so it was kind of driving me nuts. I was like, why isn't anything happening when I'm hitting the confirm button? But that's working now. So, yay. All right. And Phalanx is equipped, which means you cannot sell it. So nothing should happen there. No, not purchase. Also, the thing that was driving me nuts last night was... So I calculate a maximum quantity of, let's say, ore that you can purchase. And if you attempt to go over it, you'll just go back to 1. And I've got 104 coins on me right now, and each one is worth 10. So maximum that I could purchase is 10 for 100 gold, since each one costs 10 coins. But what was happening was I could go all the way up to 99, which is the maximum you can hold. For some reason, I couldn't figure out what the hell the issue was. And if I went down... If you go down to 1 and then you hit left again, it's supposed to reset back to the maximum amount. So it's supposed to wrap back around to the maximum value if you're at the minimum value. What was happening was if I was on 1 and tried to go to 0, it displayed some weird combination of characters. And the reason for that was I fixed a previous bug, which created a new bug that set the current item that we're trying to buy to nothing. So it's trying to get a value, a monetary value for nothing, essentially, for whatever the nothing item is. So it was trying to get something from nothing, and that was throwing a massive curveball. But I figured it out. I found the error, so hooray. God damn it. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Just making sure everything's working. Okay, and there's equip stuff is working. Let me put some stuff in the sub slots and make sure that's working as well. Equip. Do I have any shields on me? I don't think so. Sure. Alright, now we got some stuff. Sell. All right. Cool. So anything that's got shade on it, Cannot sell because it's equipped. Right on. We'll do the same thing for the other inventories. Okay, this one's easy. Vendor player items. And we want to draw the this thing. Items, check. Wait. Did I do it in the right one? Okay, I did. I was worried I did it in the actual vendor screen stuff. No. Let's do keys next. So this one will be a little more interesting. The only keys that you'll be able to sell are your general use iron or gold keys. So I guess if global. Oh shit! Yep, I'm drawing it in. I just realized my worst fear. I was putting it in the wrong one after I just said that I was worried that I was gonna be doing that. If global and if keys. Greater than none, and env keys. Alright, is equal to, oops. Or Oh, it's not equal. It's doing the opposite. Okay. Armor. Wait a sec. Oh, there it is. Never mind. Stop. Grab this. Draw vendor player armor. Oops. All right. Let's see if that crap worked. Cool. Got fireweed equipped. I do have iron armor equipped. Okay. There's something wrong with what I just put in the key inventory. Abort. Global inventory keys. Has something in it. And inventory keys I does not equal key iron. Why does it not like that? Oh man, I think I need coffee. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go grab a cup of coffee real quick. This is a good time to stretch my legs. Anyway, so I'll be right back. We'll see how that goes. Global inventory keys. Global inventory keys. I don't know. Okay, so it didn't like that check. Check bounced. If global inventory keys does not equal key iron or oh, whoops. I wonder if I did something like that. Then do this thing. Excuse me. Oh, and probably. Oh shit, you know what? I forgot my gamepad. I'll be right back. Oops. Yeah, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to quit to the title. you're getting hit by all the fire. I need to put in a thing that lets you skip this little sequence as well. Gametary, hey man. Long time no see, how's it going? Yeah, I'll go ahead and get the armor over here. Dude, pretty good. In a little bit of panic mode because I am going to show the game at a convention this Friday and over the weekend. So I'm trying to get this build up to snuff. And also finally release a new one to Kickstarter backers and everywhere else that I post it to. The convention is called DreamHack. Thanks, man. Of course, you know, I just see it as a big mess right now. Icticero, hey! How's it going, man? Yeah, I know you have. Thank you for that. And thank you. Yeah, I mean, I'm excited, but I'm definitely stressed out. Which, you know, is... If it wasn't a big, fun, exciting thing that I had, you know, somewhat of a personal stake in, and if I wasn't stressed out and nervous, then I think maybe I'd be doing something wrong. I don't know. It seems appropriate, is what I'm trying to say. That I'm going a little crazy. Crazy good though, not crazy bad. Galvix remains. I need to get rid of that extra thing there. Items, keys, performance key, and Galvix remains. Salad Dogs, hey. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. Used performance key. What the? How did you get in here? Blah, blah, blah. Story, exposition. I guess that dialogue's not really expository. Just performance key. Golf experience. Why do I have 0? Oh. Duh. I have 0 in there to show that, you know, I had a reason. I had a reason for not removing it from your key inventory. I need to sort the inventory too. I've decided to, every time you pick up a new thing, it's going to automatically sort everything in there and order it appropriately. Look at all you guys. Haven't talked to any of you in quite a while. Which is my fault for not streaming. Oops. That question. Yeah, I know the question. And you just did shit. Nah, it's all good, man. Soon. Getting closer and closer, man. I have, you know, like a work planner and all that, and it keeps changing and getting updated as I find new things that need to be fixed. Adult hours, right? Hey, Snowshoe. Yeah. I'm gonna fix parrying too. Yeah, you have. You're working on a new thing too, aren't you? Gametary. Saladons, yeah. You know, there's a lot you can plan for and schedule, but sometimes that stuff takes longer than you think it's going to. And then there are, you know, sort of tangential things that pop up around it that you didn't realize needed to be fixed or needed to be there or whatever. Like, especially right now, since I'm working on user interface stuff primarily, there's a lot of stuff that's like, can I ship this game without, you know, packaging myself along with it to explain shit to people? Like, the game's not going to come with, you know, a me clone to sit there watching them play the game and be, oh, if you push, you know, this button here, you'll be able to do the thing that you think you can't do because there wasn't a prompt for it or something. Hey, Ann, how's it going? You doing well? Owner of a tinnitus. Yeah, I am going to make a manual, but, you know, who the fuck reads those? You know? Except for, like, Uber fans. Yeah, I get tinnitus sometimes. I mean, it can come from wax, which is what usually happens to me. But permanent tinnitus, that sucks, dude. Sorry to hear. I hope that wasn't a pun. Ooh, bad pun. In before, it's a pun. It's a pun. Aye. That's exactly it. He said no idea. Yeah, tinnitus is weird, man. It could be anything. It could be like swelling of the ear canal or build up of wax somewhere in there. It can be psychological. Sell. Can't sell either of those because they are equipped. Working as intended. Perfect. Perfect! Can't sell raw meat chunks because I got them equipped. Perfect. Oh, I have to draw amounts. Like how much of each thing you're carrying. Welcome to the Tinnitus Club. Alright, yeah, and I can't sell any of those because they are important, but I can sell the iron keys, and when I get gold keys I can sell those too. Yeah, it needs to be broken. Yeah, there's extra 2 pages that are useless. I used mine though in I had a couple Mega Man manuals that I used for passwords. Yeah, those little note sections were funny. Okay. I have a better idea of what I gotta do now that most of that stuff is working. Save. Yeah, that useless paper that doesn't hold pencil or ink. Very well at all. Planning console release? No. That would be fun. Right now, at this moment, me, myself, I am not planning to release on consoles, though. Okay. Items menu. No, draw items menu. That's what I want. Two George Washingtons. Did you release Bard's Gold on? On consoles? Oh, rad, dude. What? Who did you go through to do that? Or did you just handle the port yourself? I would need to like partner with somebody, I think, to port it, because I don't know anything about any of that stuff. What did you build Bard's Gold in again? Was it Game Maker Studio or was it Unity? Or neither? Game Maker Studio. Damn, and you ported it to friggin' modern consoles. That's crazy. Development wizardry. Quantity. Just think of I've been thinking about it this whole time. Happy to. Thanks, man. Yes, I do. I do indeed. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool that you got it to run on all that stuff. Okay, and then we need to go down here. Draw text. Layered. Drop shadow. You are fully equipped. Awesome. I am impressed. And thanks for that auto host thing that you did. Okay, now are those going to work? Oh my. Damn it. I think it's a weird thing that Game Maker does. Streamlabs no longer logs when an auto host has been engaged. I don't remember it ever triggering an alert when an auto host went off. Okay, sell. Fuck. What happened? Quant X. Copy. Abort. Well, whatever. I don't know. I had never seen Streamlabs do anything when an auto host happened. Hey, you too, Ann. Take care. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah. Draw this menu. Maybe I'll just throw this in there. It's getting stupid and messy, but whatever. Draw vendor player items. I am drawing your item inventory when you're on the sell screen at a vendor, and trying to list the quantity of the item that you have in your inventory at the right spot. Sell. There we go. So you see how there's the... Oop. Yeah. I've got 2 bones, 1 ore, and 6 raw meat chunks. That needs to be fixed right there. That is going to behave more like the key inventory. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Quit! Desktop. Do this for keys as well. Draw vendor player items is good. Less, not really gametary. The last thing that he really did was promoting Hollow Knight, because he was doing the press and marketing and stuff. So he would stream Hollow Knight leading up to launch, but I haven't seen him do actual like this stuff for a little while. I'm sure he will again when he gets back into something that he's excited about again. He's still working on stuff, but maybe the streaming is just not quite into that as much anymore. I mean, that happens to me, you know, like I'll just disappear for a month because I, you know, don't feel like streaming. But I know that he's still working on some projects. So he's still developing. Yeah. No electricity, no internet, just a very minimal amount of power that goes right into a computer that he works at day and night. Keys, that's what I'm looking for. Draw a vendor. No, I don't want to do that. Draw vendor player keys. Keyses. Okay. Global inventory keys. Oops. Draw text quantity. Info quantity is probably correct, I guess. Oh, I forgot to put that knockout sound effect track thing on my alerts. think I ripped off a little bit of Castlevania in this song. That one and this one were for a game jam. I was watching a Games Plus James. Or is it James Plus Games? One of them. He was doing the Ludum Dare stuff. And I was like, do you need music? I can just do some music for you real quick. And then after I put it down, I was like, why does that sound familiar? I was like, oh, it's like Castlevania. Oops. Cool. I guess I should also put a dark thing over the iron key and the gold key if you have 0. Wait, vendor player keys. Yeah, this one. And global inventory keys. With Reaper, yes. And I have a handful of chiptune VSTs. That's one thing I need to do too, is put together like a set of links so that people can go download them because they're free. Most of the music stuff that I use is free, which is crazy. Key iron and global item info. Info quantity is equal to 0. Then draw this. See, it's like stuff like this that you don't think you forget is going to need to be done in the game. Like informative, common sense stuff that the player's not going to know unless, you know, the developer's like standing right there over their chair, like literally backseat gaming. But yeah, I'll show you real quick. Huh. It's funny that this track just queued up because this is the project file for this song that's playing right now. But let's see here. So magical 8-bit plug YMCK is one of the VST chiptune packages that I use, and also this thing here, Nest Pulse, and there's another one. It's Nest Pulse again. Nest Pulse I use all over the damn place. The CMYK one, or whatever. YMCK. I keep wanting to do the cyan, magenta, yellow thing. That one is much more straightforward, so I use it for very simple things. Nest Pulse gives you a lot more expression, like vibrato and stuff, and bending. There's one of them that's in here that it's called Nin Tiny, and I can't. Maybe this track doesn't use any of that, so that might not be why it's in there. But those things are free. And also, I mean, Reaper is also free even if you're using the evaluation version. I bought the old one, and then they released 5.0, and I haven't bought a license for that yet. Shame on me. But you can use it indefinitely and without any restrictions. So I have a license for the pre 5.0, but not the new shiny one. And you can also go to Native Instruments, and they do this stuff. They give you a free collection of like drum machines and like live bass and guitar and like all this, bagpipes and shit like that. And so you want to go to Native Instruments and get the Contact Player, which is free. And the Contact Player is kind of the delivery system for all of these instruments. That's crazy. You can adjust each drum in the kit and everything. You can change the tune of it, so you can make it really, really low sounding. Like you make a cymbal sound like a gong and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Ridiculous. Yeah, bagpipes. I use bagpipes in some of the Savage tracks too. A polka version. Yeah. And I also use a thing called Guitar Rig from Native Instruments, which is also free. A lot of the cooler shit in it is you gotta pay for it, but basic functionality is free. Where's Contact? I'm trying to find Contact. So yeah, this, this, this. Even just with those, you're gonna have a good time, and you're gonna be fully equipped to handle most audio situations and music situations. I mean, just even with the bundled effects and processing suite that comes with Reaper, you can manipulate sound pretty extensively and create sound effects and things like that. Which is how I made all the little sound effects in Savage, like the jumping noises and the stun sounds and the swinging and chopping, slicing, poking. Anyway, what was I doing again? Keys. Hold iron. Make sure that those are drawing correctly. And then this thing too. But yeah, I don't know if you play guitar or have an electric guitar, but Guitar Rig is awesome because it emulates speaker setup and microphones, microphone placement, microphone type. Like it emulates an amped mic or a mic'd amp, and you can get all crazy with the head styles and get like a studio sound out of your guitar with that too. Okay, I have 0 of that, so it's not gonna let me do anything, which is nice. Okay. Yay! You do. Okay, good. So Guitar Rig might be right up your alley then. And some of the tracks in Savage, I will lay down like a guitar track in there as well. So there's like live guitar in there, emulated live drums, bagpipes, and chiptunes. It's highly processed chiptunes, but okay. Cool. I'm going to take a quick bio break, and I'll be right back. now, let's make it so where you can actually buy things. Or, I mean, sorry, sell things. So quantities. So quantities, consumables, keys, throwing weapons. That's going to be the tricky part, because when you're in weapon inventory, there's a chance that you have throwing knives and throwing axes, which have a quantity to them. Every other weapon, shield, and armor in the game is one instance in one slot. May you get, yeah. Absolutely. Okay. UI step 1 is, where is our sell stuff? That's prompt. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Because they have a category, which is integer based. There's categories, types, kinds, and any other synonym for type. And most of them are all integer based. Like type unarmed is 0, and type swing and slash and all that stuff is also different things. Arrays instead of, yeah, me too. I am wondering if data structures would maybe be better, but I am more comfortable with arrays and like nested indexes and stuff. Data structures are probably easier to reference, I guess, because like in an array, you have to loop through until you find, the index that you're looking for. I think in a data structure, you can just pluck it out. I think I just understand the rules and limitations of an array better. In other words, I don't know enough about data structures to really use them that often. I'm sure I'll change my mind once I give myself a crash course in them, but confirming purchase with a prompt. All right, vendor mode, buy. Sell. There is sell. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like is having all that stuff just hang out in memory. Okay, UI confirm 25. Current item is not equal to 0. Excuse me. Okay, so we have an insufficient gold alert. We don't even have to check for this. Purchasing. I just copied it over. Okay, first we have to check where the hell we are. Because selling is going to be different. We'll deal with alerts first, I guess. This is just a reference for us. If menu is equal to keys, it's less than 1. Or Play sound. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. Boo. Doom, boo, doo. Doo, 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 doo. Insufficient gold. That's what I'm looking for. Script. Searching scripts. I want to change that, the name of it, because I'm going to have multiple uses for it. Insufficient gold. We're going to change this to vendor alert. Cool. Okay. one is going to be cannot sell equip. Is equipped 2 P's or 1 P? 2 P's. If vendor alert. We're always going to have OK up there. And this is going to be if vendor alert is equal to 0. Or type. Type. Case. Yeah. Sufficient gold. Cannot sell equipped item. You dork. Yes. No keys. In inventory. Vendor alert equals true. Vendor type. And I mean, I guess no keys in inventory. Vendor doesn't want that item. Okay, so You know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to do switch here as well. Switch. Bobby Marks, thanks for that host. Much appreciated. Welcome to the Barbarian Horde. Menu. And welcome to my switch statement. Case. Keys. Let's just, let's go in the natural order of things. Items. Break. Case. Punts. Case. Armor. Break. Keys. Break. Let's get rid of this. We don't need this. Just in case, or... Oh, then that's a different alert. Okay, weapons. Oh, we gotta check for broken stuff, too. And I have to draw a black bar over broken stuff, also. Yeah, before I forget. Prompt background menu X plus 46. 46 plus floor sprite get width sprite prompt bg divided by 2. And center the text. You don't have any of this item. Is 0. Vendor doesn't want that item. Okay. Now broken. Before I forget, need to draw broken stuff. I don't know. Should I have a separate alert for broken as well? Yeah, let's just do it. If I have to ask the question, then yes. You excited about that? Vendor doesn't want that item. That item is broken. Or damaged. That sounds nicer. The language of that is a little more interesting, I guess. All right, back to job vendor player weapons. All right, now let's say if weapon I 0 how do I forget how to find broken stuff. Let's see. Draw weapons menu. Here it is. Draw a black bar over it. And that only happens with weapons, shields, and armor, so. I did just put that down in here, right? I'm getting confused. Yeah. Man, look at all this shit I'm repeating 6 times every frame. Psh. Computers are crazy! At inappropriate moments of terror. Well, there isn't really durability in Savage. There is after a fashion. So whatever gear you're using, if you die and you don't have a resurrection fetish on you, your current gear will lose its battle power. And therefore it's level. And if your level is at 0, the next time you die, then you'll start to take a durability hit. Kinky, yeah. It's my fault for using the word fetish in the game. And if you die enough times with your weapon or armor or shield at 0, then it breaks and you can't equip it anymore or use it anymore until you repair it. So death is the only thing that weakens a piece of gear. Nah, just stick with it. With fetish, hell yeah, man. That's too cool of a word. The traditional usage of it to, the carving, the idol context of it is too neat sounding to not. You're being sophomore. Hey, it's totally allowed. And probably encouraged. Okay. Now, that handles weapons and shields. And I need to do the same thing for armor. Inventory. Armor. Broken. It broke. James, how's it going, man? How are you? You tired? Now it's your turn. Now you will be the one who does the watching. Anybody in here who's curious? James spent his weekend working on Ludum Dare, and he produced a really awesome little platformer called Globey's Revenge. And I did some quick and dirty music tracks for it. I don't know how to find it. Maybe James, maybe you can link it for me. I mean, I guess itch.io is the best place to get it. Because I think you need a Ludum Dare account in order to access games on that site. Quick and dirty. Let me see here. Search. Globies. Revenge. There it is. It plays really well too, especially for something you threw together in like 3 days. It's crazy. It was magnificent to witness the creation of that thing from start to finish. You're too slow on the draw. You dead. Yeah, it's super fun. Great concept. Yeah, he was a team of one with like thousands of backseat developers in his chat, including me. Don't think you can get Portal Knots done that quick. Yeah. If only if I could get Savage done that quickly. Okay. Weapons. Quantities less than 1. Vendor alert type equals 1. Or which one is it? For you don't have enough of that item to sell. Vendor mode. Draw current gold. Vendor alert type. Here we go. Cannot sell equipped item. Current item's quantity is 0. Is 2. Okay, so this is going to be alert type 2. Why look for the thing yourself when others will already have a thesis? Today, Savage is moving along. Something is happening. Okay, so now if we're in the weapons sell screen, what do we got to check for? We got to check for if it's equipped and if it's broken. Then we can't sell it. If global weapon current item item broken. Or wait, no. Cursor sub position. Right? Yeah. Inventory weapon cursor sub position. This might not even be necessary here to check for current item stuff, but whatever. I'm going to leave it just in case and just because. Vendor alert equals true. Stop right there. Alert type equals. Broken is 4. Audio, play, sound. I am broken. I don't know why you cry, but it is something I can never do. Oops. If... Oh, well. What was the other thing? Equipped. We gotta check and see if we have this stuff equipped in any of our slots. any of them. It doesn't take long. Well, maybe it does. I guess today it took 2 hours, 1 minute, and 10 seconds. Okay. Weapon, shield. Slot sub 1, slot sub 2. If any of our stuff is in any of those places, you broke the law. Lawbreaker. Or equals current item, I think. Okay, get rid of this. Hey, listen, it's Globy. It's James's Games music. It's Games plus James's Games music. Oh, come on. Ya fucker. Okay, there we go. Wait, what? Yeah, that was fun to do. I've never participated in anything like that. Oh, no, wait, this isn't going to work. That's not going to work. If cursor, this might be much easier than I'm thinking. Subpose item. It's greater. Zero, I think. Let me check how I initialize this stuff. Initialize items. No slot. Is that just 0? No slot is 999. Or just have it it's not equal slot. No slots. Vendor alert equals true. Type. Which one is equipped? 1 equals 1. Armor is going to be very similar. Inv armor. Oh, whoops. Global. Current item does not equal key gold and does not equal iron. Okay, which one is vendor doesn't want that? I think it's 2. Nope. 3. Vendor doesn't want that. You stupid. Go away. Take your junk someplace else. We don't want their kind here. You're droids. They'll have to wait outside. If current item equals droid, vendor alert equals true. Okay, what's the other one? If off. If global item info current item quantity. Oops. Info quantity. Less than 1. Fatal, hey dude. How's it going, man? Work is going. It's going. I am showing Savage at a convention this weekend, so I'm kind of sweating bullets here. Which is good. I mean, it's, you know, it's nice to have a goalpost, you know, within striking distance. Oh no. Yeah. It'll be fun though. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. A little nervous, a little stressed. Two. Okay. True to false. Keys. Armor. Weapons. Items. All this stuff. Okay, so we've figured out the stuff that you cannot do. Mostly, I think. Now we have to figure out whether or not we're selling quantities of something or an individual thing that doesn't have a quantity attached to the instance in the inventory list. But we figured out the alerts for broken stuff, trying to sell keys that you don't have any of, trying to sell keys that are important and are unique that you cannot drop or sell. An alert for whether or not something is equipped. I probably already said that. Broken, equipped. Okay. And if a key is not a mundane gold key or a mundane iron key, then now you can sell stuff. Ahem. But let's just check and see what happens here. Taking its time. Not like I'm in a rush or anything. Not like I'm panicking to get stuff done before an event that's quite important to me. That's not happening. You can go ahead and you take your time, Game Maker. What have you for sale, blacksmith? I see. Okay, sell. Vendor doesn't want that item. Cool, but it doesn't fit. Hit the window. You don't have any of this. Cool. All right, that's working. Hide armor. Cannot sell equipped item. I have not told it to do anything when we're in the clear just yet. Cannot sell equipped item. Cool. Is there a drawstring extended for width? Like so I put a line break in there. I mean, I could do it manually, I guess. Like I could just go, you know, meh. 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 That item is damaged. Meh. Fatal, how's things with the Ninja Gaiden Guitar Hero controller speedrun going? If he's still in here. Persona 5. I haven't played any of those. Okay. Cannot sell equipped item. We need to, okay. We need to just bump it up. Cannot sell equipped item. Vendor doesn't want that item. Vendor doesn't want that item. Cannot sell equipped item. You haven't played one yet either. Yeah, man. People... You don't have any of this item. Yeah, we'll just move the text up like 7 pixels or something. Oops, I just ate a meat. Persona 4 and I want a Vita, man. I've always wanted a Vita. They're such sexy little machines. I am way, way behind on console tech, though. The newest thing that I have is the 360. And it took me a while to get around to picking up one of those as well. There's a lot of stuff on PlayStation 4 that I want, though. Like all the Dragon Quest stuff that they put on there. Bloodborne. I would like to get an appropriate Nintendo console to play the new Zelda. Maybe if Savage... when it releases and it makes a quadrillion dollars, then I can buy a PlayStation 4 and a Switch. Yeah, we're trying to draw the alert stuff a little higher. 7 pixels, 69 dudes. Let's try that again. But yeah, people lose their minds when a Persona game comes out. So I've always wanted to give one of those a try. Go in here, talk to guy. What have you for sale, blacksmith? Vendor doesn't want that item. One can go a little higher, maybe 2 more pixels. Cannot sell equipped item. I could probably adjust that one too, to put the line break between equipped and item. Equipped probably fits just fine. All right. Let's say 67. 67. 7. Cannot sell. Equipped item. Now let's see. Flat cut. Hey, Snowdrum, what's up, man? Yeah, I've given it a huge overhaul. Even the HUD is different now, and there are like prompts and buttons everywhere. Also, depending on if you're using a mouse or a keyboard, it'll switch to the appropriate icons and sprites. So like I'm using a mouse right now, up there in the HUD. My main attack is left click, middle attack is shield bash, right mouse is block, though that's not up there. But using an item is E, and then I switch to gamepad, and it all changes. Also, how freaking tired are you, man? Last I saw Snow Drama, he was up for like 30 hours because of the Ludum jam. He's on. I bet, dude. Are you off work now? Are you done? Can you finally get some sleep? But yeah, and like item lists, like weapons and stuff, they show their damage types. Like there's a slash, blunt, chop, slash, shield bash. Gladiator shield has a spike on it, so it's shield bash and piercing. Phalanx is piercing and slash. Stone greatsword slash and blunt. Sell. All right, let's see. Cannot sell equipped item. And it's got all these comparisons as well. Like it'll show you damage values, stat bonuses, stat requirements. How many extra armor hit points you get for equipping armor. There's a lot of stupid crap in here. But this is going in the next update, so trying to get ready for the next build and for DreamHack. I want to put this build out before DreamHack on Friday. Oh, whoops, I'm actually purchasing. I don't want to purchase. Vendor alert type not set before reading it. I don't think I defined that. Nope. Vendor alert type 0. And freaking insufficient cold. Okay. Yeah, especially to make it all work with mouse as well as gamepad. Like be able to like, move it around and click wherever you want to and stuff. Speaking of which, I gotta activate the mouse when we're doing this stuff. Object. Vendor user interface. We'll put this down here with the mouse stuff. Instance create 0 object mouse. Config controls equal to 0. No instance exists. Mouse. Then make one. With object mouse visible equals true. Oops. Or, shit, wait. I don't have to put that anywhere, I don't think. It takes care of itself there. All right. That is... Yeah, that's fine. Cool. I thought ahead! For once. Because of... Hey! Happy to just have you here. It's nice to just kind of hang out. Feel like I'm hanging out with people while I'm working, because sometimes this can get weird when you're by yourself so often. Start to go a little, get a little cabin fever. Go off into the freaking wilderness. Planning succeeds again. Yeah. Some of it's weird though. Some of it you don't even realize that you're gonna need, you know. It's like trying to construct an iris or something when you don't even know what an eyeball is. Talking to yourself, but with people actually, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. See if the mouse is working. Any tips for learning Java? I do not. Hobo Zach. Maybe Snow Drama or Games Plus James. Maybe they know. I don't know anything about Java really, except when it tries to get me to update. That is the extent of my Java experience. What the hell? Okay. I wasn't moving there for a second. Or I thought he wasn't. Maybe I pushed the wrong button. What have you for sale? Cool. The mouse is here. Okay. It's triggering the mouse event, but it's not actually moving over to a... Okay, that's all working. Insufficient. Okay. Insufficient. Okay. Oh, it's not animating the mouse, though. That time it did. Okay, and I can use the mouse wheel to adjust the amount of stuff I want to buy. Really basic stuff. Sweet, there we go. We got all kinds of information. And then hitting I think control and alt is supposed to increase by 10. It's not going down though. Why isn't that letting me adjust? Once I'm on maximum affordable, the adjust by 10 buttons aren't working. Damn it. That's not working that great either. Come on. Huh. Insufficient. Yeah, what else you got down here? Prices are not final. This is going to be more expensive. And gold a little harder to come by. Right now, you're just kind of rolling in the cash. Okay, so some of the... I need to take notes on this. What's working, what isn't. Vendor doesn't want that item. Cannot sell equipped item. Okay, this stuff, that's not working anyway right now. Not yet. Okay, what's not working? Mouse animations not playing when triggering vendor alert. Memory editing. Mouse position not updating on prompt. Mouse click, not toggling buy and sell mode. Okay. Son of a bitch. Prompt mode. Prompt mode. These might be wrong, I guess. $93 and $79. Oh, yeah, this is all incorrect. 93, 79. That's why. 118 and 87. I probably just copied, pasted, and then yeah, look at this. 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, I just pasted and forgot. Never touched it again. Okay, yes is 81 and 106. $104 and $115. 104 and 115. Okay, no is 113 and 106. $133 and $115. 133. 115. Did I do that right? Let me just double check. Yes. All right. All right. Let's check the prompts. Cool. No. Or Awesome. That's fixed. That's by 2 ore. Did I actually get 2 though? I don't know. I have 2 right now. It's by 3. No, it's only giving me 1. Swindled. Yeah, it's only giving 1. I think because it thinks it's a brand new instance, so it resets it to 1, but I can fix it. Let's see. Object. Pick up ore. Where are we with that? Yeah. It's not new, in other words. I should actually just remove that check from consumable pickups. It doesn't really do anything. That was when I was planning for something that didn't really come around. In this case, planning screwed me. Or I made a tactical error with my planning. Hello. Give me. Oh, I only have enough for 1. Let's go get some money. Can't sell anything yet, so just gonna have to go kill some dudes. Here's a bad guy. I don't think these guys have money. Ow. Hey, he's afraid now. Come here. Okay, he dropped some. We gotta fix that. That beasts and animals and stuff shouldn't be carrying around cash. Shut up. Oh, you killed me. Wait, did my armor break? That means I can actually test the vendor situation. No, it just went down a level. Money. Give me money. Nope. All right. Anybody? There's something. How much money do I have? 18. Not enough to check for higher quantities. I don't think I have a dev hack for giving me money. Spooky time. All the spookies are out. I can actually, if I can get him to spit at me, I can use a shield bash to knock the projectile back at them. Nope. Uh-huh. I'm the boss. I made you, and I can unmake you. I'm not getting any money from any of these scrubs. Let me go to a humanoid place. No. The spookies took over. Is that every parent ever? Yeah. No, go away, skeleton. Don't give up, skeleton. There's some money. More money! Yeah, these Argeshi slavers are loaded. They check their pockets for loose change. Alright, I got plenty of cash now. Oh, right in the ankle. That's one thing I want to do too, is adjust shield position for when you're ducking and blocking. It's not low enough. There's not enough of a difference between standing and blocking and ducking and blocking. Have fun, Snowshoe. Thanks for hanging out. I don't want to fight you, skeleton. Okay. What was I checking? Oh, yeah. Buying multiples. Let's buy 5. I had 3 before. Yay! We have 8! Math! The math checks out. Okay. Oh my god. I'm going to stretch my legs and I shall return. Excuse me, god damn it. Okay. Quantity is working. Now I just need to see what else is broke though. Crafting. Kind weapon. Okay. info. Shield. And it's not equal kind armor. Oh, this crazy light from the window. I don't have any blinds because the cat broke them. Okay. If vendor alert. There we go. Okay, what else is not working again? Mouse animation is not playing when triggering a vendor alert. Here we go. Not updating on prompt. We fixed that. Mouse click not toggling buy and sell mode. All right. Yeah, here we go. Mouse is tab. 4 is buy, 5 is sell. Okay, case. 4, break. Case. 5, break. Buy. Sell. If vendor mode is not equal 0, then we switch to buy mode. Switch to sell mode. All right. Cool. That works now. Can't buy anything except for arming sword and broken arming sword. Why do they cost the same? Don't ask me, I didn't make this game. What? These aren't equipped. For fuck's sake. Weird. I'm on purchase. I'm not trying to sell anything. What the hell? Vendor doesn't want that item. Ah, it's not resetting to 0. Because I never set it to 0 when you have insufficient money. Okay. Oops. Is this step? Okay, yeah. Where is vendor alert? Vendor alert equals false. Vendor alert type equals 0. I'll reset it when we exit an alert. One big giant annoying machine that I forget how it works sometimes. Most of the time. Most of the time. All right, switch over to sell. Cannot sell a equipped item. And that's just doing that, I think, because it thinks that we have insufficient money, even though we're trying to sell something. So that's something I have to fix. So cannot sell equipped item. Switch over to buy. Insufficient. Cool. Okay, reset. That's fine. All right. Next, we'll just get into the actual functionality of actually selling something and getting paid. Crushing your enemies, seeing them driven before you, and hearing the lamentation of their women is not cheap. But for now, that's going to do it for this stream. I'm going to go hit the gym because I've been sitting too long. But I'll be back later. Most likely, I will be back streaming later after I do some exercises and take a shower and stuff. But anyway, thanks everybody for hanging out. Take care, Snow Drama. All the rest of you, if I don't see you in a couple hours, have a good rest of your night. And thanks for watching. See you later.